Did a software update break the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get your specialized tools running again. This DLL file is a 64-bit component of NVIDIA ShadowPlay, part of the GeForce Experience suite. It is responsible for capturing in-game footage, managing the instant replay buffer, and facilitating live streaming for Radeon users. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error usually indicates that the NVIDIA GeForce Experience directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience to replace specific required files, such as the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture DLL. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for the NVIDIA ShadowPlay Capture library references. If you've regained access to NVIDIA GeForce Experience thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.